What is a colloid mixture? Colloids mixture, a mixture in which the particles never settle. Colloids are mixtures in which one or more substances are dispersed as relatively large solid particles or liquid droplets throughout a solid, liquid, or gaseous medium. The particles of a colloid remain dispersed and do not settle due to gravity, and they are often electrically charged. Colloid is a mixture in which very small particles of one substance are distributed evenly throughout another substance. In colloids, the particles are generally larger than those in a solution and smaller than those in a suspension. Paints, milk, and fog are colloids. There are types of colloids. We have multimolecular colloids, macromolecular colloids, and associated colloids. Multimolecular colloids. When the dissolution of the smaller molecules of substance or many atoms takes place, they combine to form a species whose size is in the range of colloidal size. The species formed is known as the multimolecular colloid. For example, the sulfur solution contains particles which have 1,000 octasulfur. Macromolecular colloids. In this type of colloid, the macromolecules form a solution with a suitable solvent. The size of the particles of this macromolecular solution lies in the range of colloidal particle size. Thus, the solution is also known as the macromolecular colloids. The colloids formed here are similar to that of the aqueous solution in many respects and are very stable. Examples of macromolecular colloids are starch, proteins, enzymes, and cellulose. They are the naturally occurring macromolecular colloids, whereas polyethylene, synthetic, rubber, etc. are the synthetic macromolecules. The third type of colloids is associated colloids. Some substances act as a strong electrolyte when they are in low concentrations, but they react as colloidal salts when they are in high concentration. In higher concentration, particles aggregate showing colloidal behavior. These aggregated particles are known as the micelles. Micelles are also known as the associated colloids. The formation of the micelles occurs above a particular temperature called the Kraft temperature, and also above a specific concentration called the critical micelle concentration. These colloids can be reverted by diluting it. Examples of some associated colloids are soaps and synthetic detergents. Colloids can be classified into a foam, aerosol, emulsion, solid, and gel. Foam is a colloid in which the particles are gas bubbles and the medium is liquid. Examples of liquid foams. We have soda foam, beer foam, coffee foam, and wine foam. Aerosol. Aerosol is a substance enclosed under pressure and able to release as a fine spray by means of a propellant gas. Examples of aerosol spray. We have Lysol disinfectant spray, Airwick freshener, aerosol paint, Raid, and Baygon. Emulsion. Emulsion are fine dispersion of minute droplets of one liquid in another in which it is not soluble or miscible. Liquids are mixed and they form a water in oil emulsion. In this case, Water is the dispersed phase and oil is the continuous phase. Examples of emulsion. We have vinegar and oil, mayonnaise, and vinaigrette. Sol. Sol is a colloid made out of very small solid particles in a continuous medium. Sols are classified on the basis of size of solid particles present in it. When solid particles that are very small in size are present in a continuous liquid medium, then the solution form is known as sol. Examples of liquid sol. We have pine sol, sol dishwashing liquid, and Dawn sol. Gel. Gels are colloids in which the liquid medium has become viscous enough to behave more or less as a solid. Contraction of a gel causing separation of liquid from it is called syneresis. Examples of gel. We have aloe vera gel, hair gel, and vapor rub gel. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.